Always Somewhere. Song familiar? Yes, this is a song by Scorpions. This was released in February 25 of 1979. This is written by Rudolph Schenker and Mr. Min. And here we go. Listen up for this cover of Mami Belen.